Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm your host Dr. Seema Jain. I'm a SEBI-registered research analyst. I have been posting my stock selection to you all so that you can really take an entry when you feel the right time is there. So today, again, I'm going to talk about some stocks, and before I go on there, I'm going to be talking about, what has happened in Nifty and Back Nifty. So to start with, we'll have a look at Nifty and see what is happening in Nifty. So let me bring you to the kite and we will have a look at Nifty, how Nifty performed, and what exactly we can expect, tomorrow, right? Tomorrow is going to be expiry. So see, have a look at Nifty. The kind of movement it had given yesterday was a very, very beautiful movement. But today, it kind of refused to go above this particular value, which is, let me mark it here, above this place, which is 16,362, right? And after that it just kept on falling. But an important point to note it that it's been taking support at 16,200, right? Similarly, if I look into the Back Nifty, even Back Nifty has a similar pattern. It had given a quite a good fall in the morning. It refused to break the first 30 minutes range, and then after that it has been just falling down. I would say Back Nifty was more negative than Nifty. So just we're going to have a look at what happened into Back Nifty in 1 day time frame, right? I want to have a look at Back Nifty so that we can actually understand what kind of stance Back Nifty has. So जो कल का movement था, today it was gap up opening, but it has come down, right? That's an important point to note कि आज gap up opening होने के बाद Bank Nifty ऊपर से नीचे आई है, right? So that means the stance of bears is more aggressive, right? Bears are more aggressive. So let's just have a look at the lower time frame, and from there we'll try to gauge what is happening. So Bank Nifty became almost like horizontal starting from 9:30 to about 11:45, and the moment this particular place, which is 34,446, was broken, we saw a good fall of about 300 points, right? And even the way it has broken, it has closed, it looks to be on a support, right? If by tomorrow morning, if the opening is below 34,090, I'm sure a more downfall can be expected. So by looking at the whole scenario, it is visible that Bank Nifty is under a lot of bear grip, right? But anyway, I have filtered some stocks for you, and I'm just hoping that you have watched the video that I have posted a few days back. So I am talking about this stock where I've given 6 stocks ready to move up after correction, right? If you see on my channel, I have posted, how the stocks have performed. MRF moved from 73,350 to 74,860. Hindu Unilever from 2220 to 2300. Coromandel from 900 956. Gadget CP from 830 to 838, right? So I'm back with another research, and I'm going to talk about a few stocks and the reason behind selecting them, right? As I have always told you that I look for stocks in the 1 day time frame, right? Have a look at the this is the price of coal pal, and as it is today, all the FMCG sector gave a beautiful breakout, right? Whether it was Hindu Unilever or it is coal pal or Dabur, all of them have given a very, very beautiful breakout. So see here, look at the price congestion in this area, right? I want you to concentrate on the price congestion at this area, right? If this particular barrier is broken, which is 1620, if it is broken, we can definitely expect some good move up, right? And to a target of about 1670 or so can surely be expected, right? So the whole idea will be the price has to break this 1620, right? So this barrier has to be broken. That's my first stock. My second stock is Hindalco. This is how Hindalco looks. The price shows, like yesterday, the bulls have entered in the market. Today, there was a slight, gap up opening. The price went down. Let me make it a smaller time frame. the price went down, like it opened gap up, the price came down, and again bulls pushed it up. So see here, it opened, it came down till this point, then again bulls pushed it up. So that shows me the strength in the stock, right? So where do we enter into it? Right after today's high is broken, right? Because if market is negative tomorrow, Hindalco may not be able to break it this high. So 838, 438 or 440 is where you're going to take an entry in Hindalco. Again, please, you have to use your judgment also. I'm only presenting my watch list, right? After that, the decision is yours, right? So I'm reasoning it out. I'm giving all the details, but again, entry is going to be yours. Please don't write in the comment that you told above this and it didn't work, or I bought it and your stock didn't work. Market didn't work, right? You have to look into the market. This is the market giving you a movement in any direction. Look at the market, how it's been falling down. Look at Bank Nifty, how it's been falling down, right? So don't expect, I mean, I'm not a god in the market. If I've given, then this stock will definitely run. ऐसा नहीं है, right? अगर market fall हो रहा है तो आपके stocks भी correct होंगे. You have to have the wisdom to deal with your situation, right? Like I have exited all my positions and I'm only doing the option selling, as I have told again and again. So the third stock that is on my radar is Siemens, right? And आप लोगों को कितना पका पकाया खाना चाहिए होता है, क्यों? कुछ काम खुद भी करो. अपना पैसा लगा रहे हो तो अपने दिमाग से सोचो कि मैं इस, अगर मार्केट गिर रहा है, मैं अपना पोजीशन, लाइक एक जो मैं आंसर करना चाहती हूँ, बहुत लोगों ने पूछा है न्यूरेका. न्यूरेका इज करेक्टेड ऑलमोस्ट लाइक 50%, राइट? अब आपका कोई अपना पर्सनल रिस्क रिवॉर्ड का रूल नहीं होता है. डोंट यू वांट कि भाई मैं 20%, अगर मुझे 10% लॉस होगा, 20% लॉस होगा, आई विल होल्ड इट, अदरवाइज आई विल एग्जिट, राइट? अगर आई हैव सर्टेन रूल्स, यू मेक योर रूल. इवन इफ आई एम गिविंग, सो व्हाट? Money is yours. You are investing. I don't know what quantity, how much allocation money, money allocation you're doing. I have no idea. So you have to decide how much loss can you take. And I keep giving stocks. अगर एक में loss हो गया, so what? There are hundreds of stocks where you've made money, right? एक stock है, उसमें फंस गए हो तो निकल जाओ. 10-20% के drop पे निकल जाओ. That is what I would suggest. But अगर आप long term investor, then don't worry about it. The stocks will bounce back as the market will correct. Market will be fine after some time and the stocks will start moving. अगर आप notice करोगे तो ऐसा नहीं है कि निफ्टी जो है हमेशा जमीन के अंदर ही चली गई है. ऐसा नहीं होता है. निफ्टी goes up and nifty goes down, right? कई बार ये ड्रॉप आया, उसके बाद फिर निफ्टी चल गई, राइट? ऐसा नहीं होता है कि आपके स्टॉक्स की वैल्यू जीरो हो जाएगी. बिकॉज whenever I give you a positional stock, I always tell you कि यहाँ पे डिप आया, फिर उसके बाद ऊपर चली गई, राइट? I always tell you कि फंडामेंटल्स कैसे है, राइट? तो अगर फंडामेंटल्स सही है, थोड़ा बहुत करेक्शन हो रहा है, तो I don't know why you people go so helter skelter. और अगर आपको इतनी ज्यादा इशू है तो आप प्लीज अपना मनी मैनेजमेंट अच्छे से करो, राइट? एंड यू हैव अ चॉइस हाउ मच मनी यू वांट टू एलोकेट. कहाँ पे मैं आपको बताती हूँ, नीचे जाएगा तो एवरेज कर लेना, राइट? अगर अच्छा स्टॉक है तो. बट अगर वो सब आप नहीं जानते हो तो प्लीज डोंट ट्रेड, लाइक स्टैंड आउट ऑफ द मार्केट एंड वॉच एंड लर्न अबाउट इट. एंड उसके बाद तीन स्टॉक्स मैंने आपको दे दिए. कोलपैल दिया, हिंडाल्को दिया, सीमेंस दिया. थर्ड स्टॉक इज इंटेलेक्ट, राइट? इंटेलेक्ट डिजाइन. The reason of Hindalco and Intellect is same, because today we have an inside candle, right? The bulls have entered after some down movement and horizontal movement. See here, the price almost got stagnant at 563, and yesterday there was a gap up opening. Today there is an inside candle, a doji. So crossing over 663 is going to be a good movement, can be expected in Intellect design, right? That is my fourth stock. My fifth stock is going to be ITC, right? ITC looks very, very powerful at this point of time. Look at this barrier. It needs to be broken. 267, if it breaks, our target will definitely be 273, and after 273, my target is going to be 275, 277, 280. And final maybe 6 months target could be 300, right? So that is what I'm expecting from ITC. And the last stock that is on my radar is Hind Copper. The reason for Hindalco, Intellect and Hind Copper is exactly same. The price went horizontal for some days. Yesterday bulls entered, today is an inside candle. Above 103.2, you can expect a good move in Hind Copper. So I'm going to just quickly show you once again Colpal, Hindalco, Siemens, Intellect, ITC, Hind Copper, right? These are my stocks for tomorrow. Definitely, if the breakout comes in any one of them, I'll be going for a buy. And please follow me on YouTube, follow me on Telegram, follow me on Twitter. Keep learning, keep earning with Stock Pro, but please, please, please learn how to manage your trades, right? In case you are into loss 5-10%, exit and take some other fresh entry if you do not feel confident about this stock, right? This is what I have to say as far as Nureka is concerned. I'm sure you all are in losses, but ये हर एक research analyst के साथ होता है. Nobody is 100% correct because we are sitting in the market. But money management is something you can do, right? So please learn how to manage your money. With this, I'm signing off, your host Seema Jain, and I'll be meeting you again with another watch list or another learning video. Stay tuned. All the best. Take care. Bye-bye. See you.